Hi, I have a few questions for you. Are you struggling to fill your sales funnel with qualified leads? Do you want to attract talent, but you constantly hear from the naysayers that there's just not enough talent or workers out there? Do you still attend trade shows to make sales? Do you think your sales would improve with high quality, knowledgeable sales team available 24/7? If you answered yes to any of these questions, keep listening. Who is this series for? It's for manufacturing and industrial companies who want to gear up and make the necessary changes to compete in today's market. Business owners, marketing directors, and sales managers whose companies are still struggling to make that shift in marketing and selling from those pre-internet days. Good business has always been built on relationships and trust, and that hasn't changed. What's different? The way that we attract, connect, and build relationships. That's what's shifted, and we want to help you leverage this shift in a 3-part series. TMTA members have surveyed and want more tools and a brand and marketing for selling in our online world. We'll have examples of companies that have intentionally created a brand that builds employee engagement, improves customer experience, attracts talent, fills the lead funnel, and increases sales. Session 1 will cover the foundation for your brand. This session sets you up to fuel all your marketing, sales, and culture building efforts. Session 2 will cover creating a message system that attracts and captures leads, your virtual online salesperson. And session 3 will have vital information for the focal point of your business online, your website. This Lunch and Learn series will be presented in live and in person, virtually, and a lunch is provided complimentary of the TMTA. If you can't attend any of these events, go ahead and register anyway, and we'll send you the link. Please register now. Seating is limited. We're looking forward to helping your company gear up for growth.